Hi and welcome to this video about how to get rich. 5 simple steps. Let's get started. The first one, mindset. You need to have a mindset that sets you up to win. And my best advice to reach this is to read the book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Next, replace I wish with I must. To want something just isn't enough. You need to have a clear goal and be obsessed with reaching it. This is essential to make your goal a reality. Now, create an action plan on how you will achieve your goal. Then, visualize yourself going through this process and achieving your goal. This will trick your subconscious mind to see it as a reality, and that will help you to achieve your goals. The next thing that you need to do is to eliminate your limiting beliefs. So if some part of you even slightly believe things like I don't deserve to be rich, rich people are bad people, or money is evil, then your subconscious mind will prevent you from getting rich because it believes it's a bad thing. So to get rid of these limiting beliefs, use affirmations like I am worthy of making more money. I use money to create my best life. Or money is a tool that I can use to create a better world. Last but not least, find what makes you tick. Is it to beat your friends or impress someone that you like? Or simply see the numbers growing on the screen? Whatever it is, it needs to be true and work for you. Number 2, budget. The important thing here is to cut your living expenses compared to your income. To get rich, you have to make it a priority to cut your costs so it is lower than your income. Your living expenses should be at highest 90% of your income, but ideal around 50% of it. A poor person have living expenses equal to or higher than their income, and if their income changes, so do their living costs. And this, my friend, is a huge mistake that prevents the majority of people from ever getting rich. Number 3, investing. First tips here is to read the book Richest Man in Babylon by George Clason. Next thing is to pay yourself first, meaning to use 10 to 50% of your income for investing, for example in stocks. The key here is to make your money work for you, to generate more money. The last thing is to understand and use the compound effect. And let's illustrate this with an example. Let's say you can choose to either get $1 million right now, or you can get 1 penny, but this penny doubles every day for 30 days. The obvious answer should maybe be to pick the $1 million. But if you calculate it, this 1 penny will, after 30 days, be worth $5.3 million. And that's the power of the compound effect. Number 4, buy assets. And the first advice here is to read the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. You need to understand the difference between an asset and a liability. Assets increase your wealth, while liabilities costs you money. For example, a house that you live in costs you money, meaning it's a liability. On the other hand, if you have a house that you rent out, it generates money, meaning it's an asset. And what you want to do is to spend money on assets, not on liabilities. And this simple formula will make you rich. Number 5, take action. The path to success is to take massive, determined action. Take action and subscribe. Thanks for watching.